Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for going through the other videos that I have posted earlier. Today I have something about Bluetooth speakers. I was going through shopping and I thought I wanted a speaker for outdoor, like a Bluetooth speaker. Stumbled upon this. This is from iJoy Blast. It was pretty much a budget speaker, I would say. All the other speakers that's kind of bigger than this were all like in 80s range, and this was in 40, like so half the price of the others, and I just wanted to know how good this is, and I thought I'd give it a try. I've used other Bluetooth speakers like Beach Bomb and stuff like that. They're okay. Not bad, but I was not a huge fan of those, and this mainly I'll be using it for like outside when I'm cooking out, use this, stuff like that. It has Bluetooth in it. The exterior box looks nice. What's written up here, I don't know if you can read it. It says, why settle for just a party when you can have an absolute blast? Large in size yet light in weight. I would agree to that. It looks kind of large. And it wasn't heavy at all, it was light in weight. But let's see if the sound is good, how loud it can be, and all of those things. It does have built-in LED lights that can conveniently be taken with you anytime, anywhere, to transform any space into an event. Well, I'm not a huge fan of the LED lights, but when it comes with it, if there's an option to turn it off, I would rather turn it off. Unless I'm having a party and my friends that I have like to have it on, that's a different story altogether. But me personally, I wouldn't be using that LED light. That's one major thing that has been keeping me away from getting these things, because of these LED lights. I don't enjoy those lights much. If I need some lighting, disco lighting, I would rather get a setup for that. So I'm opening it for the first time. Basically, this is an unboxing video plus a slight introduction on how to sync to it, how easy is it to use it, things like that. Alright, so when I open it, it's packed nicely with styrofoam. Comes with an aux cable and a micro USB. That by itself, I would think it's a small bummer, because the newer phones are not using micro USB. They actually use USB-C. But if this is for charging this device, then it makes sense. Let's find that out. Right. Nothing more to it. It's just styrofoam and a cover. So it was quite tight in there, so it wasn't running around or anything. This is how this works. Alright. That is the first look I have off of this. Comes with two woofers. Looks like tweeters, or I don't know. Looks like it. It has a dial on top. Then on, play. Alright. It has the aux button, so basically if you don't have Bluetooth, if you have an older gen phone, you would like to use the auxiliary cable, which is provided in the box, you can definitely use that. It has a slot for microphone. I don't have a quarter-inch microphone with quarter-inch jack, so there is no way I can plug in and test that. It has a slot for TF card, and it has a slot for USB and DC 5 volt, which is micro USB, so possibly this can be charged. I'm pretty sure it can be charged. Play, scan, forward, and mode. Let's turn it on. So on button right here. Let's see if I can find this. Play on a new device. Alright, it's came up on my phone right away. It shows as iJoy Blast, so that is the name of it. It's from iJoy, and Blast is what they call it. Click on pairing. Do not ask for any PIN code or passcode or anything. Allow access to your contacts and call history. You can check it or you can uncheck it. I mean, it's not checked. I'm not gonna do that. Say pairing complete. Let me see if I can play something.
Where do I go? What fate is drawing near? Touch my heart and guide my lips in prayer.
All right, so it does work. The play button from the speaker paused the song that I was playing. So the fast forward, the next song, next track, all of those things should work. Also, the audio. I can control the audio, I can increase the audio from my phone. It increases to the max, and then I can also reduce it here from the dial that is above. So it is independent. So if this is on max and if I reduce the volume all the way down in my phone, I will not get any audio. So I have to increase it to the comfortable level on my phone, and then I can set it to the comfortable level on the speaker. So far I like it. I don't see any option to turn off the light right now. It says it has a small display. It says pause. I hit play. Let's see if it's gonna play. It is not playing anything. Let me see. Play again.
Through the grace of God.
So I had paused it and went on the screen. So let me try again. I went back to YouTube. I paused it. I had the YouTube up. Click play. Pause. Alright, that works. Play.
I'll cast aside the...
Alright, I click next track and went to the next track that is coming up from YouTube. Let me see what this mode button does. Alright, so it also has FM in it. So the mode actually lets you choose FM.
Vibrated food. But, when I got to Michelle,
whether
my grandmother had very aristocratic root. And yeah, the way that work. So.
All right, so here we go. The FM works. The next track buttons, that's what you use to tune in to the FM that you need. It does have multiple channels available. Yeah, it just says channel 1 and it goes back to the Bluetooth. Alright, now let me give you the first impression that I feel like. It will be bright if it's nighttime. For people who are okay with these lights blinking, it's good, it's okay. That's how it looks. It's not super big, it's not too small. It's handy to carry. If you are going camping, this will work. It has rubber feet, so if you're keeping it somewhere, it'll stay there. It's not gonna like slide out or anything. It won't move that easy. It has a very big dial. I like that to control the volume. It has pretty decent buttons. The light is something that me personally, I don't admire much, but I don't have a choice to turn it off right now, I believe. If I ever find an option to turn these lights off, I will definitely post an update on that. So make sure that you click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon, so if I post an update, you actually will get a notification. Other than that, the FM works good. I like that FM is working. I don't use FM that much nowadays, but still, sometimes it comes in handy. I have definitely had days where I used FM because I did not have anything with me, or the particular ride I took did not have a CD player. Those things have happened, especially when you're going camping. If you have something like this, that will be a great help. It is loud, so if you are decided to turn up the volume, crank it up all the way up, it is definitely going to make some noise and disturb others. So make sure you know your surroundings. Make sure you keep your volume to the optimal level that you can hear and that you would like to hear, depending on where you are, because this can be pretty loud in some situations. Other than that, the lights and other than the lights, there's nothing that I dislike about it. I like how it looks. It is rechargeable. I don't see any slot to add external batteries. That's another thing. So if you deplete the battery, you're in a situation where you cannot charge it, I don't see any option to replace or use extra batteries or something like that. That you can say that is old school. Maybe I am old school. I like some of those older features that kept me moving whenever I needed to. So it's good to have some of those features, even in the newer ones. It won't hurt. You definitely will have to carry extra batteries, but if you're going on a trip, and I definitely do carry batteries, especially for my cameras. I even have adapters for my camera where I can put in regular AA batteries and use it in my camera in an emergency situation. So there are things like that that still are useful. The battery life for this, I'm not exactly sure. I will update when I find out. But so far, the quality wise, the build quality wise, and all of those, I do like it because it has TF card slot. You can also have your music loaded into the TF card and play from the TF card. That will be a good option to have. So you always don't have to hook up your phone and stuff like that. If you are going into a remote location where you don't have cell coverage, TF card, music, that works. So that is the first look. The quality of the sound, I haven't used it extensively to say that, but seems like it is okay for the situation, but nothing fancy on that. So that's my first opinion. So please feel free to let me know your feedback, what you like about it, if you have used it, if there is any features that I have missed, and if you come across, please feel free to leave that on the comment box so I also know that that I missed those features. That's because obviously I don't know. I took it out of the box. I did not even go through the instruction manual as it says. Yeah, user manual. It came a sheet folded in four. That's all what it came with, but it did have it. I didn't even go through that, so I might have missed some features. If I'm missing something, please feel free to let me know. That's about it. So thank you everyone. Please click the subscribe button. If you haven't hit the bell icon, make sure you ring the bell so you get future updates on other videos coming up and videos about this if I find anything new within this particular item. Alright, thank you everyone. Have a good day.